Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, Samsung's released the update for August for our Galaxy Z Fold 5. I'm going to go ahead and just install this. We'll go ahead and take a look at what comes with the new update, if there's anything new, and let's go ahead and jump into it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that install button, and we'll be back once it's done. The August update for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has arrived, and while it might not be as flashy as some previous updates, it still brings some important improvements. The main focus of this update is security. Samsung has included the latest security patch to keep your device and personal data safe. Security is paramount, right? This update includes a bunch of behind-the-scenes enhancements to protect your device from potential threats. From strengthening password protection to improving malware detection, Samsung has got you covered. Besides security, the update also brings some performance and stability improvements. You might notice smoother app launches, faster multitasking, and overall better responsiveness. Samsung has been working hard to optimize the Z Fold 5 performance, and this update is a step in the right direction. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what the August update brings. So it has device stability improvements and bug fixes, which is normal with any of the security patch updates from Samsung. There's also some further improvements for performance. Basically, it's going to optimize the apps. As I said, hopefully we'll see some smoother apps launching and see some better transitions. So this is the update ending in CXG6. That's for your Z Fold 5. The size is 426.68 megabytes, and it does have the security patch for August 1st, 2024. While the main focus of this update is security and performance, there might be some other minor changes or tweaks. We'll be sure to explore those in detail in future videos. If you haven't already, it's time to update your Galaxy Z Fold 5. To check for the update, simply go to your phone settings, which is where we're at now. You'll then go down to Software Update. You'll press on Software Update, and then you'll download and install. This will go out to the Samsung server and download the update, which I've already done. So this shows that my phone is up to date. Depending on your device and connection, it may take a while to download the update. As I said, this is about 500 megabytes. So I would suggest, being connected to Wi-Fi to get the smoothest download. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take a look at the apps, just kind of check on the fluidity. So far, it looks good. I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary. I don't believe that there is any new features that were brought with this. We'll definitely be checking this out. You can always go to About Phone if you want to get more information on the security update. You can then go to Software, scroll all the way down and go to Android Security Patch Level. Select that, and that's going to go ahead and open up the Android Security Bulletins. You can then scroll down and select your device. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down. We're going to click on Read, and then we're going to go ahead and select the device, so Samsung. And here it's going to show you all of the updates for this particular patch. So if we scroll down a little bit more here, we can see that there's a critical patch that was applied. There's quite a bit of high level patches here, which you can read through. There's no moderate, and then these ones are not applicable to Samsung devices, and these were included in the previous update. So feel free to scroll through here. This will go over details as far as each one of the patches and what they do. It's always a good idea to kind of take a look at this if you're interested to see what those patches are bringing to your device. And that is it for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 August update. As always, let us know in the comments if you've noticed any other changes or improvements. Don't forget to like and share, and also consider subscribing to the channel for new tech updates and reviews. As always, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.